everyone, it's Henna here and thanks for coming to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already because I post new videos here every week. And I'll also be giving one of my lucky subscribers a free iPad when I hit 10,000 subscribers, so you don't want to miss out on that. Also, in today's video, I will be doing 2 looks and a review of the new Jaclyn Hill x Morphe Vault Collection palette. And I'll also be giving one of you guys this palette as well, but to find out how to enter, you'll have to wait till the end of this video. So besides that, let's just get straight into this. So I wanted to do a different kind of video to really kind of give you guys a review and first impression of collection or the palettes from this collection. I was like, why not go ahead and post a poll on Instagram? And I was like, should I do 1 look or should I do 2 looks? So you guys voted for me to do 2 looks. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 2 separate palettes and do 2 separate looks for you guys here. I went ahead and got the collection, the set, which comes with all 4 palettes. It retails for $49. Otherwise, the individual palettes are $15 each. So you do save $10. And it came wrapped in bubble wrap, which is really nice. And I got mine from the Morphe store. And here are the 4 palettes right here. We have Dark Magic, Armed and Gorgeous, Bling Boss, and Ring the Alarm. This is Ring the Alarm here, and this is what Armed and Gorgeous looks like. This is also a very, very pretty palette, is what Bling Boss looks like. Super pretty, has your pinks, your purples, Dark Magic. This one I really wanted to try out because it does have the more cool tone shadows, which is out of my comfort zone. So I definitely wanted to try to come up with a look with this one. Okay, so the first look is going to be using the palette in Dark Magic right here. I hope I'm not setting myself up for failure. So I'm going to go into the shade Poof, Prepped and Prime my eyes with concealer. So I'm just kind of going in, and I'm kind of just setting the whole eye with this shadow at this point. The next shadow I'm going to go in with is Shh. And I'm going to use this as the transition shade, and I'm going in with a Morphe E27 brush. There really is no kickback whatsoever. And lately what I've been doing is I've been just tapping the product. Now I'm going to go into this really pretty green color right here in the shade Potion. I'm going to go using that same brush with Potion. Go a little lower than where I put the shade Shush. Take it up a notch, and we're going to go ahead and do the halo eye. Where is that brush that I'm looking for? We are taking it there, girl. We are going into Inside Job my halo eye with this color. So let's see how this looks. This does not go with my shirt at all, but you know what? The pigment is definitely there. I don't think I want to use this brush though, just because I feel like I need something a little bit more precise. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M506 brush. And I tend to use this brush for halo eyes. I don't know why I didn't just pick it up the first time. There we go. Yep. This is exactly what I need. And I'm kind of just spreading it out right now, but then I'm going to go back in and pat on the product. So this is where I'm at so far with this. For such a weird color like this right here, it is really not patchy, which is so weird. I mean, I've played with colors like this before when I was doing in the past doing Halloween makeup and stuff, and these kind of like cool tone colors in general tend to be patchy, the color or something, but surprisingly it's pretty pigmented. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of soften the edges a little bit and go back in with Potion. I'm just kind of tapping over a little bit. I think we're gonna take it there, and I'm gonna go in with Power Cuts in the middle of this halo eye. I'm just gonna take my finger. I really had no plan with this eye look, so trying to be different and challenge myself. And I do this on my own with most all my shadows anyways. I like to tap the product on, and I feel like I have foundation on my arm. I feel like that you get the best payout that way. So definitely with these colors, since they are a cool tone, they're like those different shadows, I think you might have to work with it a little bit, but other than that, this is a really pretty look. And I'm gonna go take it off now so we can get on to the next look. But that is Dark Magic on the eyes. Now we're gonna do this last, second best, whatever you want to call it, and that is the Bling Boss palette. And that is this palette right here. So we're just gonna wing it and hope for the best, right? I'm gonna go again into a Morphe E27 brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Hush Hush, and I'm gonna apply that as a transition color. Again, very little kickback, which is really nice. But again, I mean, even if it did have kickback, as long as the shadow was really nice and buttery and blendable and pigmented, I wouldn't really care. So I'm gonna go into the shade Rockstar, and I'm gonna take the Morphe E22 brush and dip into Rockstar and apply it right to the outer corner right here, and work with it. So let me actually go in. I have a bunch of these brushes, by the way, the M506, and I'm gonna dip that also into Rockstar. And this is where I'm gonna start taking it out a little bit. And I wanna just kind of flick this color out as well. So I'm really taking it there, I guess. But it's okay, that's how I work. Okay, so we're gonna go into the shade Mystic. Yeah, and we're just gonna really deepen up this look even more to the next level. And I'm going in with the M433 brush. But I'm gonna go in with this shade Gem. And I'm gonna apply that with my finger more on the central area of my eye. Ooh, that is pretty. Let me zoom you guys in to that so you can see that. You guys see this? Look. That is a pretty shade. Oh my god. So I really want to now apply the shade Ballsy on top of that purple. And I'm being ballsy with that move, so I thought it was appropriate. So let's just go in with the finger. Ooh. I love that shadow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of see if I can intensify that a little bit more, because it's not as intense as I would like it. So we're going to go in with some Fix Plus. And this is a Jaclyn Hill thing, like Fix Plus, so her shadow would work best with Fix Plus, knowing that she loves to apply these kind of shadows with Fix Plus. Yeah, so that definitely makes a slight difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this look with some lashes, some liner, lower lash line, and I'll be right back, guys. Alrighty guys, so this is the complete look using the Bling Boss palette. Honestly, I think this turned out into a really pretty look. I add some false lashes, mascara, lipstick, and I also went on the lower lash line. I took the same colors that I used in my crease. I took Rockstar, Mystic on the outer lash line, and then right in this part region right there, I added the shade Gem. So overall, it is a very pretty makeup look, and I do really enjoy this palette more than I thought I would, just because I normally don't use these colors and I don't wear them on a normal basis, but this is definitely wearable. I'm not gonna lie to you. I guess going out of my comfort zone for this video worked out better than I thought it would. Dark Magic and Bling Boss. So overall, what do I think of the Vault Collection from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe? Honestly, there was quite a lot of hype around this palette, but that is because Jaclyn Hill's first and previous palette with Morphe, which I have right here, it's pretty beat up. It was just such an amazing palette. The only thing was that a lot of people were like, it didn't have a mirror and it was really big, and a lot Morphe's palettes in general that are this many shadows are not as convenient to travel with, because you know, it's just a pain in the butt to have such a big palette. And Jaclyn's main thing was that she, while creating that palette, she had so many shadows that she couldn't include in there, and so the Vault Collection palettes are supposed to be those remaining shadows that she couldn't include in her first palette and just putting in it now. So what do I think of this palette? Honestly, you don't necessarily have to get the whole collection. I definitely think there's some palettes that I might not use. I think the one palette that I honestly will not be using quite often will be the Dark Magic palette, just because it is a really interesting and cool palette to use. I definitely want to do some looks with this for Instagram, but realistically speaking, I'm not going to be wearing it every day. So if you're looking to see based on like financially, like, should I buy it? Should I put some coin in it? Am I actually going to use it? Then I would say definitely go ahead and pick up the individual palettes, just because it is $15 each, and you know, everybody has their own taste in what shadows they like to do, what looks they like to do. Now, if you just like are a hoarder like me and you like to just collect all the palettes and collections and collabs that come out, then definitely if you're planning on buying all the palettes, go ahead and get the set. You do save $10, and if you're getting it directly from Morphe, they do have Morphe codes, 10% off codes, I guess whatever influencer you like. So yeah, definitely do that. Okay guys, so the moment you have been all waiting for, if you haven't skipped through my video, which I hope you did, I hope you watched long, but you guys want to know how you can win the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe Vault Collection. I went ahead and picked up an extra one for you guys. So to enter to win this Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection, you need to be subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at the Henna Ali, and make sure to comment down below your favorite beauty YouTuber and also your Instagram handle so I can double check to make sure you're following me. And yeah guys, that is it. Pretty simple, and I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram through IG stories in about a week from now, from when this video is posted. But alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I post new videos here every week. And besides the new Jaclyn Hill x Morphe Vault Collection giveaway I have going on, I'm also going to be giving a lucky subscriber a free iPad once I hit 10,000 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because why not? And make sure to like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and comment down below whether or not you guys are going to get these palettes. And I will see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, bye!